Hi Shubham, thanks for reaching out. So I have your files here that you had sent me. So basically the problem that you are having is, you do not want to add negative space in this portrait mode designs that you have, but you still want to add negative space for this kind of files. Those are horizontals. Okay, so what we can do, I'll show you to record an action in Photoshop, and using that action we could automate this process. So what I'll suggest is, select all the files. These are portrait mode, so I guess you do not need to add negative space over here. Perhaps we could add some negative space on these files. Okay, I will drag and open all of them in Photoshop. Okay, we'll bring out the action panel. For that, in Photoshop, go to Windows and click on Actions. So what are actions? Actions are something that we had in MS Word or MS Excel. We called it macro, that it will record us all the steps that we perform, and again when we play the macro or the action in this Photoshop, it will replicate all the processes that we did. Let me create a new folder. I'll call it Shubham. So it's a new set. In this new set, we'll create one action. We'll call add negative space. Now whatever steps we perform, you could see this red button is active. Whatever steps we perform, Photoshop is recording it. So what we want to do, if you look at the image size, if you go to image size, the image size is 450 and 450. It is in a square. What we want to do is, we want to increase the height and add some negative space. So to do that, we'll not go to image size, but we'll go to canvas size. Over here, we'll click on this one. Okay, we'll change this to percent. Instead of 100%, we can increase it to whatever percent you wish, perhaps 125. You could see some negative space added. If we want, can increase a bit more. Go to canvas size, change to percent, perhaps 135% this time. Okay, once the negative space has been added, we could go to file, save. It saves the file, and again stop this recorder. This is the stop play recording. Now you could see add negative space action has been recorded. We'll close this file. Now we have around 7 to 8 files. So to have the same process on all the images, either you could open each file and play this action, it adds negative space, or if you want to automate it, like see, I want to play the action for all the open files. I'll go to file, automate, batch. Here we'll select the action Shubham, add negative space, source will add open files, destination save and close. That's it. Now it will automatically add negative space to the files that we have. So you could see we have already added a bit of negative space. There's one more thing that I would like to show you. Now in this case the height was very small, so it looks like a rectangle. In such case, instead of increasing the canvas size by percentage, you could actually increase it by pixels value, perhaps 600 pixels value. There you go. So there are different ways you could achieve this. Let me know if you need any more assistance. I hope this will help you. Thanks.